Hello, this is Madeline Shuttlesworth with your Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today is Wellness Wednesday. Today's breakfast will be Pop-Tart, string cheese, fruit, juice, and milk. Today's lunch will be corn dog, snack pack, carrots, fruit, juice, and milk. Tomorrow's breakfast will be sausage biscuit, jelly jam, fruit juice, and milk. Tomorrow's lunch will be barbecue fajita on bun, baked beans, fruit juice, and milk. Happy birthday! Today's birthday is Hayden O'Kane. Today's announcements. Students, if you have library books at your house from last year, please remember to bring those back and turn them in to Miss Smith at the library. Students and teachers, please remind your parents to send money for the registration and to join PTO. Teachers, please review our new arrival and dismissal procedures to students. Remember, our pre-K and first grade, kindergarten grade students will continue to enter the hallway by the office, and our second, third, and fourth grade students will enter and exit on their hallway. Students, you are doing a great job learning and your new car line numbers. You and your brothers and sisters will be called together for one number. I hope you have been teaching those big brothers and sisters their numbers. Students, also be sure that you are keeping yourself and your friends safe and well. Wear your mask, cough or sneeze into your elbow, and wash your hands. Students, we have an exciting new award that we'll be granting each week. Starting this week, we will have a Shepherd Supporter of the Week. This award recognizes someone that you nominate. It might be your mom, dad, grandparent, aunt, uncle, or even a sibling. It is someone that you see on a regular basis that helps you be successful at school. Maybe they help you practice your math facts or study spelling words, or even make sure you have a snack each day. We will have a nomination forms to tell us about your favorite Shepherd Supporter and why they should win the award for the Shepherd Supporter of the Week. That's all the news for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday.